Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draft a princess bustier or a princess dart using a pattern paper. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and mark out my half length or my full length measurement, which is going to be 16 inches. My bust point measurement is going to be 10 inches and my under bust is going to be 13 inches. After doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and mark my neck depth and my neck width. My neck depth is 4 inches and my neck width is 3.5 inches. I'm going to mark out my shoulder measurement, which is 16 divided by 2 is going to give me 8 inches. I'm going to add half an inch to that for joining with my sleeves. My armhole depth is going to be 8.5 inch, half an inch for allowance. I'm just going to draw that line. I'm going to go ahead and draw the line for my neck depth and my neck width. I'm going to be going in by 1 inch in order to get the curve in between my neck depth and neck width, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for my armhole measurements. I'm going to be dividing my armhole measurement by 2, and I'm just going to mark out the midpoint, which is going to be 4 inches. After doing that, I'm going to be marking out my nipple to nipple measurement, which is 8 inches. Divided by 2 will give me 4 inches. I'm going to be adding half an inch to that for allowance. My nipple to nipple measurement serves as a basis for separating my middle from my side panel. My middle panel is the panel at the right and my side panel at the left. I'm going to leave my bust point and I'm going to go down to my under bust. I'm going to be going in by 1 inch on my middle panel, and I'm going to do the same thing on my half length. I'm just going to draw a straight line down. And on my side panel, I'm going to be marking 2.5 inches. And I'm going to go down to my half length, and I'm also going to mark 2.5 inches on my half length. I'm going to be making a curve all the way from my under bust to my bust point. I'm also going to be making a curve on my under bust all the way to my bust point on my middle panel. I'm going to be connecting a curved line from my armhole midpoint to my nipple to nipple point on my bust point. And this is going to give me a curved line which is going to serve as the bust cup. After doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and mark out my accurate body measurements. My bust point measurement is 39 inches. 39 inches divided by 4 is going to be 9.75. I'm going to mark that. On my under bust is going to be 31 inches. 31 inches divided by 4 is going to be 7.75. I'm going to be marking the same thing on my half length. I'm just going to be measuring what I've taken in as my darts, and I'm going to be adding it back. I've taken in 3.5 inches as my dart. I'm just going to add that back on my half length measurement. I'm going to measure the same thing on my under bust, and I'm going to add it back also. Make sure when measuring this, you measure from the point where your accurate body measurements were taken. And on my bust point, I'm going to be adding half an inch on both sides for joining. I'm just going to add 1 inch back, and I'm just going to draw a straight line all the way down. I'm going to be adding 1 inch on the side part of this and also on the under part for allowance. This is basically how it will look at the end. Make sure you watch this part of the video. This part of the video is also very important, so you don't trim out where you're not supposed to trim out.